Hello, everybody. This is David with the Success Keeper, and on this channel, I show people how to make money online. I talk about motivation and inspiration. And if you like my videos, I ask you to subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or comments, please post them below this video. So, in the past few videos, I talked about creating successful emails for your subscribers. So when somebody subscribes to your email list, you want to make it very interesting and attractive so people actually, when they read the subject line, they will want to open the email because most people nowadays are bombarded with tons and tons of emails. So you want to make sure your email sticks out. And one of the better things to do, one of the best things, is to create a very attractive and eye-catching subject line. Okay. The next thing is we talked about video series where you create a story, you grab people attention so they will want to open up your other emails as well. Okay. In the previous videos, I talked about how to start with the first email where you set the stage. Then in the second email, you're gonna share the backstory. You start in a high drama moment, then you go back to the beginning of the story, your experience, just like they do in the movies when you watch Hollywood movies. For example, I mentioned in my previous video the movie The Limitless, where it starts actually almost at the end with high drama moment where he was about to jump off the ledge, and then it goes back to the beginning of the story. You kind of want to create in the second email the same thing, high drama moment, something that you experienced that opened your eyes, and that's how you started the business. In the third email, you want to share your epiphany, where you were going through life with some kind of problems, or you were trying to solve something, and the solution was always in your face, in your presence, but you just realized it was there, and then you took action, and things started changing for the better in your life. In today's email, we're gonna be talking about how to share your hidden benefits that the people get, the people who read your emails. So you want to create parables or short stories and tell them, for example, if you are selling weight loss product, sure, of course, you're gonna lose a lot of weight with this product, but you will always prolong your life. Or sure, you're gonna start making a lot of money online, but you will also be able to travel the world. Things like that, okay? So you wanna share your hidden benefits with the reader in your email number 4. And I'm gonna give you an example. So back to the weight loss, for example, if you're gonna have a story about weight loss, if you sell program, for example, about weight loss or some products that help people uh, uh, losing weight, then you can create a story that when you started, not only you started helping people to lose weight and share certain information, but by doing that, you were also learning new things in the process of helping other people. And the hidden benefits were when people were writing you with their results, they were showing you pictures, before and after pictures, and then maybe you were going to different events and talked about the benefits of the product or the service that you were selling. And by doing that, you were also at the same time learning as a person, growing as a person, and it made you feel really good when people were coming back to you and telling you how much you helped them, how much your product or your service helped them. That motivates you to do even more work, even greater work, to try even harder, and that made you to earn even more money. And you realized then and there that when you help enough people to get what they want, you are also helping yourself to get what you want. So something like that along these lines. So today we were talking about email number 4, sharing with people the hidden benefits of your product or service. And tomorrow I'm gonna create the last video in the sequence. It's gonna be video email number 5, and I'm not gonna tell you yet what it's gonna be, but keep your eye open, and I will speak with you tomorrow. This was David with Success Keeper, and if you have any questions or comments, post them below this video. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, and I will speak with you soon. You take care.